Hello friends, welcome to my channel CS Learning. Today we are going to see what is list in Python, and also we will see some small code on list slicing. Okay, so in the previous video already I have discussed what is list in Python, how to do the indexing of the list. If you have not seen the previous video yet, just go to the description box and check over there. The link is given in the description. So do note that just check the previous video and then only see this video, then only you will understand what is list slicing, because here I am going to discuss list slicing on the concept of list indexing. So first let's write slicing, list slicing. So first let's take a list over here, and I am taking a number list over here. The elements I am taking all the elements as integer, (20) and let's say 90. Okay, so these are the elements of the list. So let's just talk about what is list slicing. What is this list slicing mean? In Python, list slicing is very common practice while we are working with any kind of list, whether it is a number list or it is a nested list or anything else. So for programmers, it can be an efficient way, or it can be an efficient technique. List slicing can be an efficient technique to solve any kind of problem. It must be a programming thing. Okay, now let's see what is slicing. So we are having two type of index in list. One is positive index or forward indexing. Another one is backward indexing or negative index. Okay. Now negative index will starting from -1, then -2, -3, -4. Like this it will go on. And positive index will start from, this will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 2. Index of 72 will be 3, index of 20 will be 4, and index of 90 will be 5. Okay, now what happens in list slicing? I am writing down over here. If L is my list, I will write, suppose I want to slice this portion from the actual list. Actual list is L. I want to slice this two element from the list. So what is my starting index? 2. What is my ending index? That is 3. So I will write here 4. And consecutive two numbers I want, so I can write here 1. That means this is the step value or jumping index. Okay, if I don't write 1 over here, it will also work in the same way. Okay, so it is optional. This 1 is optional actually. So I am not writing over here 1 right now. Let's do with the simple thing. This is the starting index and 4 is the ending index. Okay, so this way the start and end index we can give, and we can have the slice of the list. We can have the particular portion of a list or some particular element from a main list or from the original list. Okay, so this will create actually 45, 72, this will be a list. Okay, now let's see the step value 1. Suppose I want the list, I want the element 30, then 45, then 20. Okay, so I am starting with 0 element and I am ending at this point. So I will write here 5 so that it will take the list. Okay, let me write 4 over here. We will see what will happen in the program. And I am writing over here 2. So if I write in this position 2, that means this is called the step value. This is the end value. And this one is the starting value. Okay, so starting value is 0. That means that starting index is 0, ending index is 4, and step value is 2. That means if the list is 30, 50, okay, let me take another color for my pen. Okay. Let's take this highlighter. Okay, now if it is 30, this is 0 index, it will jump with 1 index and take 45. Then again it will jump 1 index. See, this index number is not taking because I have written here step 2. So it will give you, this will result you 30, 45, then 20. Okay, like this. Okay, by default the step value is 1, so that's why when in the previous case when we have written here 2 and 4, the consecutive elements has came. So by default the step value is 1, it will take 1 as a step value, but if I want to give any other step value I have to mention the step value. Okay, so this is the rule and this is the main syntax of list slicing. So this way we can slice a list. Now let's see with the Python programming what will happen if I do it with the program. Okay, so let's open Jupyter Notebook over here. Let's go to our basic Python file. Okay, so now list slicing. Now let's take the list. Okay, I have taken some random numbers over here, just whatever came into my mind I have taken. Now if I do S1 slice 1 equals to L, let's write 2:4 and next print S1. Okay, next let's write directly into the print statement. I can write like this also, 1:5:2. Okay, now let's run the code and see what will happen. Okay, see, whenever I have taken here 2:4, it has taken from this to this portion. Okay, if I change this 2 to 3, then what will happen? It will only take 49. Okay, I'm so sorry. Here I have given mistakenly a dot. So running the code again. Okay, so now see, whenever I am writing 2:3, it is taking only 49 as the result. So whenever I have to want this slice, that means 2 element, if I want, that means index 2 and index 3, so I cannot write here at the end value, I cannot write 3, I have to write 4, then only the index 3 will be taken, because the last values index will be not taken by Python. It will begin from start and it will end before the end value. Okay, one before the end value, that means see, index 4 is 60, so 20 is 1, 50 is 20 is 0, 50 is 1, like that. 60 is having index number 4. So if I am writing here 2:4, it is giving you 49 and 72 this way. And whenever I am writing over here 1:5:2, that means the step value is 2, so 50 comma 72 it is coming, because 90 is the last index I am taking, but here whenever I am having a step value 2, it is skipping one portion, so after 60 no value it will find, and that's why 72 the last value it has been taken. Okay, so this way we can do list slicing. This is called list slicing. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you and you have understood what is list slicing, basic concept of list. Now we will see more videos over list. In the next video I will show you a code over list, and till then keep checking the other videos and the previous video of the list. Go to the description box and check over there. You can find the part 1 where I have explained what is index number and how to do the backward and forward indexing, the negative and positive indexing. So let's end the video over here. We will meet again in the next video. Thank you very much.